In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a scheduled post on LinkedIn. If you've already planned a post in advance and then realized you need to update the wording, fix the detail, or make a last-minute change before it goes live, LinkedIn makes that process pretty simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through exactly how to find your scheduled content and open it for editing. Start by going to your LinkedIn feed. This is the main homepage you land on after signing in, and it's where you'll access the posting tools. Once you're there, look for the option that says Start a Post and click on it. Even though you're not creating a brand new post right now, this is the same entry point LinkedIn uses for both creating and managing scheduled content. When the Post Composer opens, look for the clock icon. This is the scheduling icon, and it gives you access to posts that have already been set to publish later. Click that clock icon to open the scheduling area. From there, select View All Scheduled Posts. This will take you to a list of the posts you currently have planned. If you manage multiple upcoming posts, take a moment here to make sure you're choosing the correct one before making any edits. That can save you from accidentally changing the wrong post. Next, find the scheduled post you want to update and click the three dots associated with it. This opens a small menu with more options for that specific post. In that menu, click Edit Post. Once you do that, LinkedIn will open the post so you can make your changes. At this point, you can review the text carefully and update whatever needs adjusting. This is a good time to double check your phrasing, links, formatting, and overall clarity so the post is ready to go when it publishes. That's all it takes to access and edit a scheduled post on LinkedIn. The key thing to remember is that your scheduled posts are managed through the post creation window, not from a separate main dashboard, which is why this can be easy to miss if you haven't done it before. If you're making edits close to the publish time, it's a good idea to review everything one more time before closing out, just to be sure your latest version is saved and ready. And that's how to edit a scheduled post on LinkedIn quickly and efficiently.